So in this video, we're going to be learning how to set up a really simple web application using Node.js and the Express web framework. So it's really simple to get started. All we need to do is download Node.js. And once you've got it downloaded and installed, you can run the command node-v. And if that command works, everything will be installed correctly. So once you have Node.js installed, you want to install Express. So to install Express, we use the Node package manager, which is just npm install Express. And that will install Express into our projects directory. Next, we also want to install Express Handlebars. We can get Express Handlebars from GitHub, and this allows us to use the Handlebars view engine with Express. So if you've ever used Django and Django's templating language, you'll find Handlebars is extremely similar. So this is our really simple Node app. So what we do first is we include Express, then we create a new Express object, and that is how we interact with the Express library. So all we need after that is to create a route. So in this case, we're creating a route for GET requests to the root of our website, and we are sending back the text hello world. And then finally what we do is we listen on port 3000, and then we're just going to log to the console some text just so that we know our server is running. What we also have up here is a line of code that tells Express where our static files are stored. So what we've done is we've told Express that our static files are stored in the public folder. That allows us to include them in our web page using the /static directory. So if I run our app now, you can see it says hello world on port 3000, and if I refresh there, you can see it says hello world. But let's make it a bit more interesting. So here I have a slightly modified version of our app that includes the Express Handlebars library, and it sets the view engine to use handlebars. So what we've done here is we've said that all files that end in .handlebars are template files, and we've said that the default layout is main. That main layout will exist in the /views/layouts folder, and this is kind of like our header and footer. This is where we would include the code that we want to be the same on every page. Then we use the body variable to let us include custom content for each page. So down here we have the same render function that we had as before, and we can actually get rid of this line because the first line will respond to the GET request, so the second line won't be called. So we're just going to delete that. But here you can see, instead of just printing out the text hello world when we get a GET request to the root of our domain, we're going to render the home template. And the home template is just found in the views folder, and it's called home.handlebars because that's what we told our view engine to look for. And all we do is include some text that we want to be displayed on the home page. So if we run this now and we refresh, you can see we have the text from our homepage printed out. If I look at the HTML code, you can see it included the code from main, and then it replaced the body variable with the content from our homepage. And we can also see that static is working because the font is not the default font for a web page, it's Arial. And if I click on this, it takes us to our style sheet that I created and stored in the public folder. That changes the font and the font size. So that's a really simple introduction to Express with Node.js. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. Don't forget to check out the new howCode.org. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.